What's up guys, welcome to another video of Telegram bot using Python. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your bot to database so you can store the information of every user in database. To show you how it works, I need to go to menu and send this start command. So the bot says send my info. Whenever I send my info to this bot, my information including phone number, first name, last name, and others are stored into database. So I need to run this bot. So I've created the database user as I talked about it in last video. You can find it on top right of this video. I have this database. Whenever I send my info, you see that my info is shared, and if I refresh my database, I see that ID, first name, last name, and phone number is stored into database. In this video, I'm gonna show you this. To connect the bot to my data set, I need to do some operation. So at first, let's create the keyboard. So I type keyboard and set it equal to reply keyboard markup. I set resize keyboard to true and row width to 1. Then I create a button. I need to use keyboard button and set the text to send my info to the bot, and the request contact need to be true. So by setting request contact to true, you give permission to the bot to receive all of your information, including your phone number. Okay, then I add this button to the keyboard. So I need to type bot.message handler commands and here start. So I can define send welcome to message bot dot send message message.chat.id text welcome to the bot and reply markup equal to keyboard. Okay, if I run it and send start, I get this send my info. So after that, I need to create my database and handle the information that are sent from this button. So let's create the database. To create the database, as I talked in last video, I need this SQLite here and here. With SQLite 3.connect to userdb, the name of my data set, as connection, I need to define the cursor. I use connection.cursor. Then after that, I need a query, create table query here, create table if not exist users. So user is the name of my database and users is the name of my table. So this table has some columns. I need semicolon here, and the first ID is the first column, its type is integer and its primary key of this table. Then I have first name, last name, The type I forgot to write. The type is text. This one also text. And last one is phone number, which is text. Okay. After this, I need to execute this query. Cursor.execute create table query. That's good. So if I run the bot again, my database is created here. Let's run it again. So I have user DB database, and with this extension, I mean SQLite Viewer, I can see my database. So you see database, the database and the table users. So inside table users, I have 4 columns: ID, first name, last name, and phone number. And ID is primary key. So everything is good. I have the button, I have my bot, and I have my database. So the last thing is to handle the information that are sent from this button and store them into this database. So let's do it. Okay. After this message handler, I need another message handler to getting the contact information from the user. So I type bot.messagehandler, and here content type, I need to set it equal to contact. In my previous videos in Telegram bot playlist, which you can find it on top right of this video, I talked about content types. So the content type is contact. Then I need to define a function, def contact. Inside here I have a message parameter. So let's send the information at first to the bot and see what it is. After that, I will send it to the database. So I have a temporary command here, bot send message, and inside here I have message.chat.id text f string, and inside I have message.contact. That's it for now, and let's stop the bot and run it again. Everything good? Okay. And if I send my info, that's it. My phone number, first name, last name, user ID, and whatever. I have all of them. I need to extract different data from this contact information and send it to the database. So let's comment out this line and write the proper code for database. Let's open a connection to database for SQLite.connect to the database. I mean user.db as connection cursor equals to connection dot cursor. So I need a query, insert data query, triple quotes. Okay, I need a query like this: insert into users the name of table, ID, first name, last name, and phone number. So I need values, question mark, and another question mark. So this is my query, and then I need the data. So data equals this: first message dot contact.user ID. After that, I need 4F string like this. I will fill it up now. So message.contact.first name. So let's copy this to here and here. Now I need to change this first to last name and this one to phone number. Okay, I have the query and the data. The last part is executing this query to database. So I go through cursor.execute and insert data query and data. So I use this query and this data. Instead of these question marks, I put the data so I can send this query to database and store my information there. Let's open database. As you can see, the database is empty now. If I save this and run the bot again, let's clear history like this and start send my info. Yes, my info is sent now. So if I refresh the database, you see this is my ID, first name, last name, and phone number. Perfect. So using the last video and this video, you know what database to use and how to connect your bot to database. Last video and this video was information heavy, so you need to practice them a lot and write these codes many times to understand. So if you have any question, don't worry, comment it out below. I will answer it as soon as possible and give this video a thumbs up. See you soon in other videos.